Nice to meet you.
Okay, it hasn't pushed me yet. If you want me to,
I've watched your Suzuka lap 1,000 times.
Kakinuma-san no Suzuka no saki the videoを見ました。
Thank you.
In the throttle so early, trusting those brakes. So stable. This front end just puts power down. Definitely get speed here. Wow. Very lucky we can go at this speed today. This is incredible. Yeah. I'm very happy. Not only the rain, but just wet patches we had yesterday to deal with, so. Wow! I cannot believe that that rear end takes that. I cannot believe that differential puts the power down. Wow! Yes! This curve again. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't need to translate that. That's incredible, man. Wow. This car is out. You're outrageous, not the car. This is about you. Good work. This is incredible. Oh my goodness. Well, can't complain about cooling issues. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thanks.
How was that?
That was fantastic. Oh my God, he's crazy. I love him.
Oh, look at you. You're not gonna puke, are you?